Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to demonstrate how to do a gear relation so that we can get our clock hands rotating at the gear ratio that would have the minute hand going around 12 times for every one time the hour hand goes around. You look here in our example, you can see the minute hand is moving faster than the hour hand. Got an animation going on, and that hour hand is moving slowly, and the minute hand is moving relatively quickly. And if it works out, you'll see that the hour hand, the minute hand will go around a full rotation, while the hour hand moves 1/12 of that distance. You can see it's going from the 9 o'clock position to the 10 o'clock position, while the minute hand goes from the 3 o'clock back to the 3 o'clock position, full rotation. So let's go ahead and show you how that works. What we're going to use is what's called a gear relation. A gear relation exists between a pair of mates, between, in this case, revolute mates. Personally not tried it with other mate systems, so I don't know how it would work with other mate systems, but I do know that with a revolute mate, it works pretty well. So previously, I put this together. I'm going to go ahead and delete that so you can see what I'm talking about. So we have a revolute mate on this piece, and I have a revolute mate on this piece. They're both free to move in that rotational axis along the Y. And what we're going to do is I'm going to come up to the tool ribbon, and we're going to choose the gear tool. And it asks us to choose our mates, so we will choose the hour hand mate. We'll choose the minute hand mate, and then we establish what the relationship that is. In this case, I want 12:1, so we'll choose 12. You might have to choose 1/12, depending on which you choose first. And then I'm going to hit save. And if you watch this, and I pull this around, you will see that they're moving, and they are definitely moving with that gear relation of 12:1. It takes a full rotation of the minute hand to make the hour hand move one turn. So as I go around, you can see I'm getting that proper relationship between the hour and minute. The problem is they're obviously moving in the wrong direction. Gears typically reverse opposite each other, so we're just going to come in and change that. Double click on the gear relation, set that to reverse direction, and now whenever the hour hand moves 1 hour, the minute hand moves a full turn. So I got that 1/12 revolution for the hour hand, full revolution for the minute hand. And that's how that system works. So good luck, have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.